Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to get an Arizona painting license. So who needs a contractor license in Arizona? Any business which contracts or offers to contract to build, alter, repair, add to, subtract from, improve, move, wreck, or demolish any building, highway, road, railroad, excavation, or other structure, development, or improvement, or to do any part of the work must be a licensed contractor. And that's straight from the Arizona Registrar of Contractors official website. So in the case of painters, this would include wallpaper, wall covering cloth, wall covering vinyl, decorative texture, paint, liquid floor and wall coatings, and then obviously a number of other trades. So in the state of Arizona, there are three main Arizona painting license classifications. There's the residential painting license, known as the R34. There's the commercial painting license, known as the C34. And then if you specialize in residential and commercial, you can apply for the dual license, known as the CR34. The basic requirements for an Arizona painting license are that you're at least 18 years of age. You've got to have a valid driver's license or USA ID, and you'll need a social security number. You will need to be established as a legal business entity. Now, in the state of Arizona, licenses can only be issued to sole proprietorships, which are individuals, partnerships, LLCs, known as limited liability companies, or corporations. Every license must have a qualifying party, and this person is the person who is taking the exam and who's qualified to perform the painting trade. This person has to have the necessary experience, knowledge, and skills. And you may be asked to prove your experience to the Arizona Registrar of Contractors, so you need to be ready for that. Now, how long does it take to get licensed in Arizona? The time frame fluctuates based on a variety of different factors, but the general roadmap is you're going to determine your classification, you're going to apply for an examination date, you'll complete a background check, you'll form a legal business entity, and then you'll submit your application to the Arizona Registrar of Contractors along with your passing score. Now, the Arizona Business Management Exam is an Arizona construction law test. It's 180 minutes. It's 80 questions. You need a 70% passing score, and you'll get 3 attempts to pass the exam. Now, the topics on the business management exam include workmanship standards, business mathematics, AROC rules, AROC statutes, financial management, tax laws, liens, environmental regulations, business management, insurance and bonding. Now, for additional information on study guides, practice tests, and resources to help you pass this portion of the exam, you can check out the links in the description of this video. You'll also cover contracts and safety. Now, the painting trade topics cover materials, application, tools and equipment, wall covering, surface preparation, estimating and bidding, general knowledge, containment of lead paint. And again, there are additional resources and study guides to help you prepare for this portion of the test. Now, the costs associated with the Arizona contractor license include an application fee. You'll pay a license fee. You'll pay into the recovery fund assessment, which we explain in the video you'll see after this one. You've got to pay for the cost of a background check, and then you'll provide a contractor bond and workers' compensation if you have employees. And then obviously you pay for testing fees. Now, at the end of this video, you will see another video showing you the most up-to-date Arizona contractor license costs, and I suggest you watch that video in its entirety. Just want to thank you for watching. For additional information on getting licensed, bonded, trade skills, and more, like and subscribe to our channel. Any questions that you have, please feel free to drop them in the comments. And then also, if you want, we have a full blog post covering everything in detail, more detailed than this video, obviously, on our website, and you can check that out if you want. But again, thanks for watching, and this is digitalconstructive.com.